Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you saw the title, you know that today we're using the ColourPop Disney Villains Collection. It is so beautiful and so stunning, but I did buy the entire collection because early on in my channel, if you have been with me since the beginning, you saw that I also did the same thing with the ColourPop Disney Princess Collection, which was a beautiful collection as well, and I loved everything that was in it. The great thing about ColourPop is their makeup is affordable, it's great quality, and I love everything I've purchased from ColourPop so far. I've never been disappointed. Now, I did buy the entire collection, but when I went to go buy the collection, they had the PR kit for sale as well. And usually they don't have it by the time I'm online. So I did buy the entire thing. Can we just talk about how stunning it is? Oh my goodness. But, and I'm gonna try not to knock myself out trying to open this, but this entire package is so beautiful. Let me take some of this stuff out because this packaging is actually really neat. All right, so this eyeshadow palette, beautiful. I love the neon that they used on here. I love that it says misunderstood because a lot of the villains, some of the villains are misunderstood, but aren't we all misunderstood at some point in our lives? Now, when you open this up, it still has the phantom shading as far as like the design that they had on the PR package. And then these shades in here are beautiful. There are 5 matte shades and then a lot of glitter and shimmer, and it's so much fun playing with these. Obviously, I went with the darker colors today, and I had a lot of fun with the blue, the teal, and then some of the neutral shades in my crease. But let's just swatch some of the colors that I didn't use today. Those colors are beautiful. I didn't get to use them today, but that doesn't mean I won't use them in a future video. Especially this one, Sing. This one right here, it kind of has a weird shift. When I look at it closely, it's kind of got like a gold shift, and then when it's on camera, it has a purple shift. That one is Sing, which is really beautiful. And then these are the other ones that I had swatched. But Sing is very unique. Okay, and then there are 2 of the Glitterly Obsessed, which this one is more of a silvery blue. The other one is kind of a pink color. I'm having a lot of difficulty trying to get them out of the packaging. But if you remember my last video with the Glitterly Obsessed, I had it everywhere. I will link them. I think it's up in this corner when you play the video. It's in one of the corners. But I will link that video of when I played with the Glitterly Obsessed last time, and there was like 12 or 13 of these. I had them all over my arm. I had glitter on me for the next 3 days. But when I put them on my face, it was so stunning. I put my highlight on, I put the Glitterly Obsessed on, and it was beautiful. So besides the eyeshadow palette, the Glitterly Obsessed, there's also Luxe Lipstick, Super Shock highlighters, Ultra Glossy Lip, and the Jelly Much eyeshadows for every villain that they have in here. Now the villains that they have, there's Dr. Facilier, Evil Queen, Maleficent, Ursula, Cruella, and Hades. 2 of my favorite cartons that they have are Maleficent, and I love the flowers that are on here, and then the Evil Queen with her poison apples. The detail that they put into every single villain and who they chose is amazing. And then Ursula's lipstick packaging is just all the outlines of them in neon, just it grabs your attention. Well, you guys, so now that we've talked about the villains, each item that's in their collection, and how stunning the packaging is, let's jump into the tutorial so you can see how I got this look. And if you want to see the swatches, they will be at the end of this video. Okay, so the first thing that I want to swatch with you, and it's probably going to be the least messy of everything in this collection, is the highlighters. So this first one is Maleficent. And this is actually the one that I am wearing right now. It is just a really pretty icy champagne color. This next one is Hades. It's a little bit more on the gold side. This next one is Dr. Facilier. This one's a little bit darker. Once I have a tan, maybe it'll work for me. But it's more of a gold bronzy color. Okay, so this next one is Ursula. And hers is really pretty. It is a light purplish color. I wanted to play with this one today, but it just did not go. This next one is Cruella, which this is not doing it justice. It is an icy white. This is not doing it justice at all. And then the last one is Evil Queen. That one is more of a yellow. It's pretty. I think under the right circumstances, you can wear it maybe as an eyeshadow topper as well. This is actually Cruella. It's this one in the middle. So then the next items are the Jelly Much eyeshadows. I did not use these today. I just really wanted to play with the eyeshadow palette, but these are gonna be messy. They usually are. Okay, so the first one, this one is Cursed. The next one is Just Your Voice. This one is Perfectly Wretched. And then I Own You. This one is Spindle. And then this one is Not Today. I love the Jelly Much shadows because they have such a beautiful payoff. The red is not picking up on camera as pretty as it is on my hand, but these colors, they're just super metallic. They have great payoff. All right, so before I jump into the Luxe lipsticks, I just want to talk about the packaging real quick. It is so beautiful. It's matte black with silver on it. It says villains, and then it has what each villain is known for. And I love that ColourPop puts a sticker on the bottom to show you kind of like the shade range of what the colors are, because when I store my lipsticks, I actually store them upside down. So if I'm looking for a particular color, I can just grab that color and kind of be in that same theme. When I'm trying to like grab something, I'm more prone to look for something that has a color sticker on the bottom than I am like trying to dig through lipsticks that don't have that, because I waste so much time trying to open them up, close them back up, and stow them back away. So this first one is Hades. It's a really pretty like orangey peach color. It's not one of my favorite shades, but I will grab them, especially in the summer, like when I'm gonna be outside and I really want like a nude color. This next one is Dr. Facilier, which is the one that I have on my lips right now. This is very much my shade. Now granted, if you look at my lips, that does not look like the color I have on, but it's because I put the ultra glossy lip on top of it. The next one is Maleficent. This is a really pretty color. It's kind of like a framboise, like a raspberry pinkish on the verge of being a red, but it is really beautiful. This next one is Cruella. This is a very warm red. Like, it has orange undertones, which means I probably won't wear it. I tend to gravitate to cooler reds, but it is a pretty color. I'm interested to see, I don't know, maybe I can pull it off. We'll see. All right, this next shade is Evil Queen. That is a red after my heart. That is more of a cool red, and it is definitely the type of red that I gravitate to. And then this last one is Ursula. I ran out of room, so it's down here. But that is definitely a purplish red. I've been known to wear very dark colors like this, so I will definitely be trying this one out. Okay, and then the last items that I'm going to swatch in this collection are the ultra glossy lips, and there's some interesting colors. Okay, so this first one is Sad But True. This one is really pretty. It's kind of got like a iridescent flip to it. This next one is My Pet. And the swatch is not doing it justice, but there is some really fine, like pinkish silver glitter in it. It is so stunning. This next one is puppies, and I do mean puppies. There's like 3 exclamation marks. This is more of like a tan nude shade with gold glitter in it, and it is super fine glitter that's in it. The next one is Hot Headed. It's just kind of like that tan nudish kind of color. It is got an iridescent flip to it. This one does not have glitter. The next one is Shadow Man. This is the color that I have on top of the Dr. Facilier Luxe lipstick. That is why it made my lipstick so dark. But it is such a beautiful color. It has an iridescent flip that kind of is like a gold shade, which is why it's giving my lips just this really pretty red. But if you look closely, there is a gold shift to it. And I'm really liking this combination. And then the last one is Bad Apple. This one is a super shiny red with little flakes of pink and gold glitter. This one is stunning. I am a huge fan of ColourPop. I said it in the beginning, but their lipstick, their eyeshadows, their lip glosses, their highlighters, and their Super Shock eyeshadows are just beautiful. They are some of my favorite. They are easy to grab, put in my makeup bag. I use them for travel. If I want just a 2 eyeshadow look, I use the Super Shock shadows for that. They're great for blending. They're great for just, I can't say enough about ColourPop. Well, you guys, that is everything that is in the ColourPop Disney Villains collection. I'm sorry it took me so long to record this, and I'm really upset with myself that it took me this long to play with the collection because it is a stunning collection. The pops of color, the eyeshadow palette, I mean, oh my God, can we talk about this eyeshadow palette? Just the shimmers that are in here and the matte colors alone are beautiful. The highlighters, some of my favorite highlighters that I've ever used. The one that I use today is just so stunning. It catches the light so perfectly. Some of the highlighters are not going to be highlighters for me because of how dark they are, but they will end up as eyeshadows because I multi-purpose some of my makeup. The lipsticks are stunning. The ultra glossy lips, some of the best, and I love a good just lip gloss day. The Jelly Much eyeshadows, yes, they make a mess if you're not careful with them, but some of the best pops of color or just the best payoff with an eyeshadow, yes, this will probably be one of my favorites. Perfectly Wretched. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up because it lets me know that you like this content and I'll continue to put that out. And until next time, you guys, bye. And I'll see you in my next video.